Beyond the noise of Kigali city, beyond the crowd of people, beyond the noise of cars in the city, and familiar also. Remain quiet and wait the place to be discovered. Quiet place, shaped by peace, affordability, a possibility. This town is full of opportunities. Join me as I walk in the capital city of Rwanda. I mean, a land of thousand hills. Keep going even when the road feels long and quiet. Every small step you take is the proof that you are strong than you doubt. Progress does not always come quickly, but it always comes to those who do not give up. Mistakes are not signs of failure. They are lessons that helps you to grow wiser and brave. When you feel tired, rest for a moment, but never stop believing in yourself. Dreams need time, effort, and patience to become real. Keep going when no one is watching, because that is where the truth is built. One day, you will look back and realize that continuing even a difficult time was the best decision you ever made. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope everybody is doing amazing. Thanks so much for always coming to watch my videos. In case you are new here, wonder it's my name. You may find you have been watching my videos, you have not subscribed my YouTube channel. The only way how you can help me, the only way how you can keep supporting me, just like, share, and subscribe, be a part of our family. Currently, I'm here in Kigali, the capital city of Rwanda. I'm just walking here in the street of Kigali. It's amazing. It's a place. It's a green city, clean city, well organized, well planned. I don't know how these people, they are just doing their own things. It shows the real government, how the government is working, how the people are just trying to chase away poverty, how people are just transform this country. We never stop to check out what is the opportunity. Look around. We may not think this, walking around to check what exactly. I'm not the first person to walk in this city, but I'm no one of kind. Just allow me to begin my journey from here. By the way, let me tell you, after 1994, things wasn't like this. Rwanda was worse. Hunger, people were starving, people had no food, people were struggling to get a job, people, they were struggling to chase away poverty. But what you can see right now, when you see the street, people are happy, people are just trying to move away, people just transporting things from one place to another place. It's a place where you can walk day and night. No one can touch on you, no one can touch on your things and just run away anyhow. Peace everywhere, security lights, people walking. The city looks amazing. You feel comfortable walking in the capital city of Rwanda. But when you talk about cleanliness, when you talk about security, this city is amazing. It's amazing. It's another level. When you compare to other cities here in Africa, there are some cities you can't walk during the day. Even at night, you can't even try. Some cities, it's a miracle. But here in Rwanda, it's usual. Everybody can do anything. Anything you want, you can do it. By the way, I didn't tell you, doing a business here, it's very, very easy. If you are a foreigner, you want to start your own business here in Rwanda, what I can tell you, after 24 hours, your business will be registered. The next day, they're gonna be massive. You will start doing your things, you start investing. No one will come do this, no corruption. I can't say it's 100%, but they are still having a long journey to go. But corruption here, no. It's not like other countries. When you are walking, you meet security guy, they are asking you money. But here in Rwanda, things are not like that. You do what you want, you do anywhere you want, you do your things anywhere you want. No one will come to disturb you. Give me this, do this. No. Here in Rwanda, things are not like that. As I was just walking, I was shocked when you see the cleanness, the pavement style, the walking style clean, gardens alongside the road, trees. You feel comfortable, you feel fresh. Sometimes even if it's a sunny season, Here in Kigali, as long as you are in Rwanda, you can't feel sunshine because trees are everywhere. You know, when you talk about Africa, our continent, real, what comes in their minds, it's not good. It's not good. 100% they think there's no house, there's no roads. But I'm just walking here in the street of Kigali. Cars they are rare. People are walking freely. But when you type a word Africa, what you just see there, it's not good really. You just see terrorists there, but it's a continent, it's a place where you can walk, especially here in Rwanda. Oh my god, what should I say? People, they have achieved a lot, and they are still achieving many things here, and they have still long journey to go. There are some countries that are bigger than Rwanda or smaller than Rwanda, but organizing their country is very hard. Even if you do your level best, people they can't change. But here, I don't know how this government has just tried to change the mind of people, teaching people, helping people, working with people. Their life is in their hands, and no one will come to chase their dreams. It's a country full of opportunities. Internet is everywhere. Zero corruption.